Hello everyone and welcome to the RLAARLO workshop. Today we are going to introduce how to use the ESC programming card. First, use a 2.5 hex screwdriver to unscrew the receiver box cover. Plug in the battery, but do not turn the card on yet. Unplug the ESC wire that is currently plugged into the receiver second channel. Then plug the ESC wire into the right side of the programming card. The back of the programming card has the corresponding function option name. Once plugged in, turn on the ESC. You will see two numbers light up on the programming card. The left number corresponds to the 9 main category options. You can press the rightmost button on the programming card to select these. The right number corresponds to the sub-option within the main category. You can press the third button on the programming card to select these. After changing and setting, simply press the OK button to save the setting. After saving, turn off the power, unplug the ESC wire. Plug it back into the receiver, and then turn the card on again. The leftmost button is the reset button, which can restore factory setting.